Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk through the new setting search feature in FM Dashboard. To begin, navigate to the Setting tab. At the top of the page, you'll find a search field that allows you to quickly locate a specific setting. Simply type the name or keyword of the setting you're looking for, and the system will display matching results. Select the result to jump directly to the corresponding settings section without having to browse through each category manually. This feature makes it faster and easier to find settings you need, helping you save time and navigate FM Dashboard more efficiently.